It would be funny if he was in the forward position where we were sitting. Well. Started watching High School D&D again today.
I thought it was DXD.
Whatever. I had to sit outside waiting for my daughter's ballet class to be over, so I'm watching this on a little portable DVD player while I'm sitting in the car. And I'm sitting there watching it, next thing you know, some tits start flashing across the screen, and I'm like, I hope no one looks in what I'm watching while I'm... Because I had it sitting up on my dashboard, I'm just sitting in the chair. Kept the car running to keep the heat going. And like says, next thing you know, she's butt naked on the screen, and I'm like, start looking around and like...
I'd be wanting to be walking around a place where there's young girls. Well, I was... to be on the safe side.
There's a church that sits right next to her ballet. I mean, it's the lady runs it out of her basement, right? So I'm sitting there, and there's all these houses around. I'm sitting in the parking lot of the church because it's hard to, get into her driveway.
Phoenix, oh no.
And yeah, I'm so here watching this anime.
Akuma.
Like when I popped it in, I actually forgot that there was bare tits in the anime at the time. So I'm watching this. I actually. No, I was sitting in the parking lot outside my daughter's ballet school. You are gonna nail that Kuma, I swear to God.
Well, he wasn't turned that way when I started firing. I still got one torpedo tube I haven't launched.
Just like if I launched mine right now, I'd hit Skink. Not that I'm in range to use mine.
Oh, great. Apparently I'm going to be going after that freaking guy.
It's a trap!
Okay, there's torpedoes coming in.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Yeah, I got a Kuma that's like almost around my ass.
Remember, I have a plan! They don't have a plan!
Oh, they dissipated before they got to me. Oh, that's Nicholas is firing. I see him. Yeah, this is.
I'm getting torpedo warnings from because somebody else fired torpedoes from the friendly side. Hey.
Well, I'm gonna go on the other side of the island. Maybe I'll.
Yeah, same here.
Gonna put me closer to this friggin' Nicholas over here, but.
So many torpedoes.
Oh shit! Where'd that torpedo came from? Yeah!
What? Torpedo warning up front? God damn it!
Jesus Christ! Oh, okay.
Fire! Fire!
Yes, I know there's a fire. Shut up! Oh, what? My mouse fucking messed up. Damn it!
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I got a Kuma.
I might have a Kuma. Well, I got a Puma.
I'm dead. Oh, I dodged. I'm still dead. I'm on fire. I'm gone. I am so gone.
No, I'm gonna miss.
I have no...
Oh, I got one! From the grave! I took his ass with me, and I got a medal.
I'm dead. Yep, right there.
So are we all dead now?
Nope, I'm still in it.
Suck! You're all motherfuckers! Hey, Al, you're not shooting. Why aren't you shooting, Al? You should be shooting.
Hey, there's a torpedo right there. There's a torpedo. Oh, he dodges.
Well, I'm gonna call you the Neo. You're like Neo with torpedoes, dude. You got a Nicholas coming up on you too.
You whiffed.
Yes, you did. I noticed this.
Oh, he jacked you up.
Yeah, I'm in a brand new, not even touched freaking destroyer. Of course he jacked me fucking up.
Back to port.
Yes, back to port.
No, let's stay and watch. Half our fleet's gone.
Oh shit. Oh, fuck it. Where am I on this? Oh, that's right, I just need the cash. Oh wait, I can't buy it. And I'm gonna be very, very broke. It really make me broke. Just because I don't want to bring in anybody too high for skank, I'll take my lower.
Yes, I am the weakling. Yeah, I do a pretty decent job at dodging those torpedoes in that big slow.
This is the most I've played to my destroyers ever. Cruisers and battleships. That's usually where I'm playing. So my wife turned on my my player right when I got home.
Mm-hmm.
She flipped the switch and everything like that, and she goes, "This thing still works," and everything like that. And right when she turns it on, it just goes right back to where it was. It was like the ending credits, and like their boobs right there. And she goes, "Oh, watching one of these, huh?" And I go, "There's just chess. There's no other stuff that happens." "Sure there is." She goes, "Take your filth downstairs." I go, "It's not filth. It's quality material."
I'm not gonna argue. It's a little filthy. Little. I've seen High School DxD.
Dude, it's friggin' funny. I haven't watched it in a while.
Well, if you think that's bad, she obviously hasn't seen Stocking and Panties.
Oh God! You're forgetting Ann Garterbelt. You're forgetting part of that.
Oh, Ed Garterbelt. Yes,
Yeah.
my bad.
Yes. No, yeah, that was pretty good. I do like when they blow up the monsters on that one. How it they use like made like claymation monsters and blew them up like, you know, friggin' Power Rangers, if you want to say.
I like my favorite line is when the one was like, "A plumber? Seriously?" And the other one goes, "But my pipes are clean." I was like, really?
Yes. To anybody who's watching that might be in the anime, check out Panties and Stockings with Garter Belt. Funny, serious.
A lot of dirty jokes. It's definitely not. It's definitely not something I would watch at work.
Is it kid friendly?
Oh, it is not kid friendly. It's definitely not an anime that's kid friendly.
Title.
I almost brought Golden Boy. I was gonna watch that.
I don't even think you can get away with that one.
Oh, I wouldn't be able to get away with that one at work.
Ghost Stories, yeah.
Who I was watching? What anime? What other anime was I watching that I brought to work? And I had to fast forward anytime there was.
Well, Golden Boy, you'd be fast forwarding through the whole anime.
No, you can make it through a good portion of Golden Boy without having to worry about that.
Study.
Oh, we were watching Strike Witches, and there's some nudity in there a little bit here and there. It's not really a lot, but there is some, and it's just like, oh, okay.
So you probably couldn't watch. Totally blanking on it now.
Never heard of Totally
Freezing.
Blanking on it.
No, I would
watch
not
Freezing
be
because
able to watch
it's-
Freezing.
That's all they do is flash.
Got an Emmy
boobs
Cruiser
now.
coming out. And destroyer.
That's all they do is flash boobs in that one.
They know I'm here. Shit.
Oh shit, dude! Don't move. Well, now move, but you're dead. Wow, I was trying to sneak around to get the other guy on the other side. I didn't expect that guy.
Fuck you, asshole.
Oh, I'm so fucking dead.
I don't know if I can help you yet, all.
No, but I fucked him up. He's all yours, IB.
I can't do anything about it. He's gonna be gone by the time my torpedoes even get there. Oh shit! Nope, nope.
Kevin, he's all yours.
It's unfair.
Found all the destroyers.
Yeah, I know. I think we did that. Well, see, this is why I named this stream "How Not to Play."
I took out one of the destroyers. Oh, I'm fucked. I'm dead. Oh, that hurt.
And here comes the second one. Out of the channel. Get your guns turned. She's Russian, so she's gonna go for a torpedo barrage. She's gonna beach.
You can still launch.
I can't tell. It doesn't show me the torpedoes.
Here they come. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
If you haven't used your T, I would use it now.
Yeah, no, I'm dead. I still got a kill.
Back to forth.
Kill. Was I the only one left, or are you both dead?
Oh, no, we're both dead.
Okay, so we're going back to port then?
I think I got jack shit, so... But that's not any different than
you got a bunch of torpedoes up the face.
I got some torpedoes fired, but I didn't get any kill or anything.
Ooh, hello. Alright, so...
So here's our track record for anybody that's still watching.
Defeat, 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 defeat.
What about the hand?
Alright.
I said that.
Sometimes you got it, sometimes you don't.
Please, I never have it. I'm the king of bad puns.
Phoenix has hit elite status.
What's going on?
Oh, I'm purchasing my Omaha.
He's got money. Get him.
I know, what the fuck?
After purchasing the Omaha, I still have over 2 million credits.
Jesus. Oh, that's right, because you only got, like, what, 3 ships or something like that? Or 2 ships you worked on?
Technically I have 5, but I don't use the Russian and the German ship. My destroyer's level 3, it's the Wix, because... Wow, the upgrades for this are expensive. I don't have enough stars yet.
So you're taking your new ship for a spin?
Yes.
That's a tier what? 4?
Tier 5.
Okay. I can actually move up a tier, play a different ship.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you had to go above us. Can stick with the 5 theme. I had to go over.
So, is there any big benefit to the Omaha over the Phoenix?
You get it once you get it upgraded all the way. You get enough nice set of AA.
Why the hell am I in the back?
Well, just be glad you're not in your aircraft carrier, then you'd be in the front.
I forgot about that.